Hello everyone, welcome to the Wisconsin Greg Show. I'm out here in my asparagus bed and I'm going to show you today how I maintain the weeds. As you can see, there is some grass growing on the edges coming up here. I'm going to pick this asparagus and then I'll show you how I'm going to take care of that and then control the weeds. It won't kill them, but it'll keep them under control and no chemicals involved. So let me get this asparagus picked and I'll be right back with you. Okay, this is what I'm going to be using. Just a propane torch. There's all different kinds out there. This is the one I use. I'll leave a link down below. I did a review on this when I first bought it. But this is basically all I use. And as I said in the title, this is for basically a small garden, because I think if you used it on a big, it would be kind of expensive. It just hooks to a normal propane tank that you'd use on your gas grill, and you just give them a quick heating and it keeps the weeds under control. I'm going to get started on it and we'll get going. Okay, that's all there is. I'll come back tomorrow or the next day and show you that they're all killed. And then you can check the next day, and if you missed any spots, you can go over it again. It works really good with asparagus because asparagus grows so fast. It just really works really well. You don't have to cut your whole asparagus bed like I did. You can just do sections and burn sections at a time. But to me, I really like it. It works great for keeping the weeds down. Okay, I'm back. It's been about a day and a half since I burnt the weeds on here, and you can definitely see the difference. You can see where the grass is and where the weeds have been burnt. You can definitely see the line difference right there. When you burn, it doesn't affect the asparagus as long as you cut it off all the stuff above the ground. The stuff below it doesn't affect it. You can already see there's some new asparagus popping out. There's one right there coming through. Let's see here. I think there's some more down here somewhere. There's another one right there. There's some here coming through. Another one right there coming through. So asparagus is already coming through. This works very good with asparagus because it grows so fast. This way it gets a chance to get above the weeds. Some of these weeds will come back, some of them won't. But it knocks them back so the asparagus gets a head start. And you want to keep the weeds down, keeps the bugs out of there, and it also lets the asparagus get more of the moisture, so it does better. And it just looks better with the weeds kept down. So I just wanted to show you that it does work, and it's very easy to do. No chemicals, and it doesn't hurt the asparagus. I've been doing this for, I don't remember, 2-3 years now, at least probably, and it works pretty good. And it's a safer way to eat. You don't have to use no chemicals. Some people I've heard use salt, but I heard that ain't good. I can't remember what the reason was. It does something, makes the soil really compacted or something. I used to work for a place that did that. They spread salt on there, and it did seem to work. I didn't notice the soil compaction, but I listened to the experts. They say it's not a good idea. So this works good for me, and this is what I would recommend if you got a small asparagus patch. If you got a big bed, it might be too expensive, or possibly you could just go down the rows with it instead of doing in between the rows. But that all depends on, I guess, how much you want to put into it, and dollar wise and time and money wise. But for a small bed like this, it doesn't cost that much, and it really keeps it under control. So just wanted to show you that. So I'm going to end this video now. Have a wonderful day, and I hope you give it a try. Thank you. Bye now.